friends, my name is Needhika and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating this red eye makeup look which I am calling as Red Riding Hood. For this I am using eyeshadow palette from Storybook Cosmetics which is known as Fairytales. Let's get started. So first I am using a primer on my face which I have already cleaned and moisturized. Now I am using an eyebrow palette for touching up my eyebrows. I will use a brush to brush my eyebrows in upward direction. After this I will use dark brown color to first outline my eyebrows and then fill in the gaps. Now I am going to use a concealer. So it's in a pump. I am taking out a little on my hand and using a brush to apply it. This gives me a more flexibility on how much I need to apply and where. With the help of a blender, I am going to blend it well. Time to use eyeshadow. I am using this Briar Rose shade. Next I will be using this cream shade. Now I will be using this Kiss shade. This color is very light, so I am using my finger to apply it. So the shade Beauty I am going to use now. Lastly, I will use a brush to blend everything. Now time to use concealer again, which I am applying with the help of a brush. I am using a cotton bud dipped in moisturizer to clean the excess. Now I will again use the Beauty shade and use it as an eyeliner. I will also use Kiss shade for eyelining. Time to use foundation, which I am using as according to my skin tone. Now I am using an eyeliner which is a liquid eyeliner from Maybelline. I am using a pencil eyeliner for my lower eyelids. Time to use mascara. Now I am going to use a liquid eyeshadow which I will apply with the help of a brush. I will use the Kiss eye shade again. I will use golden eyeshadow for highlighting my inner eye corners and eyebrows. Now I am going to use this liquid highlighter which I will pour in my hand and then use my fingers to highlight my cheekbones, my nose and my lips. I'm using my fingers to just blend in everything. Now it's time to use blush, which I am using from Cosmetics. Any shade you can use. I am using the middle shade because I like it the most. Now it's time to use false eyelashes. So first I will use an eyelash glue and stick the false eyelash on it. So I will now wear a lipstick which is from Maybelline. So my makeup is done. I am going to do some hair styling now. I will finish my look with this black oxidized earrings. These are the final pictures on how the makeup looks. Please do try it and share it with me.